Jen. Welcome to Confusion Maven. My cat just jumped on the screen, so you can see right here. If you see something bumping around, that's what that is. Today we're going to talk about the double crochet. The double crochet is one of the most used stitches in crochet. It's used in making granny squares, hats, all kinds of things. This is lesson 3 in the Crochet Basics series. If you're looking for lesson 1 or 2, which talks about slip knots, chaining, and single crochet, you will find those links in the description box. So let's get started. What you see here is actually a granny square, and you can see that there are several double crochets used throughout the piece. So I have started a scarf, and I chained 25, and then I did 3 rows of single crochet. We're going to start a row of double crochet just to give this scarf some texture. All right, so what we do first is we yarn around. We go into the first space here, grab the yarn, pull through to where we have 3 stitches on our yarn. Yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2. All right, let's try it again. Yarn around, go into the stitch, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Show you one more time. Pull through 2, and then pull through 2. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this row and show you how it's going to look whenever the difference between single and double crochet. By the way, this is an H or 5mm hook. I didn't say that at the beginning, but I'm using a little bit larger hook this time than I used in the previous videos because I want you to be able to see it a little bit better. It's a little bit larger, and the other hooks were G 4.0mm. So let's see, keep on going here. Double crochet works pretty fast. You get a lot more height than you do with a single crochet. All right, so that is, do you see the difference? These are single crochet, this is the double crochet. That's the difference. So we're gonna, at the end of the row, what we would do is chain 2, and in some patterns that would count as the first double crochet, and in some patterns it doesn't. So really it's up to the pattern writer how that's going to work out, but you just pay attention to that and you'll be fine. So we yarn over, we're going to go in this first stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the double crochet. All right. If you're feeling confident in your abilities at this point with chaining, single crochet, double crochet, you should take a look at my blog, confusionmaven.com. The link is also in the description. There are some free patterns there that you might like to try. Some related to the different seasons and things like that. You can also stay tuned for lesson 4 in the series, where we will talk about the half double crochet. And it's almost like the double crochet, but there's one less step. So you'll see what I'm talking about whenever that one comes out, which won't be long. And when you master the double crochet and the half double crochet, and then you will be able to create some really beautiful pieces. All right, so that's it for this time. Talk to you next time.